Alright guys, welcome back to this new video. So here you can see we have another method which is method 10 and client hunting using lead generation website. So this is one of the amazing website that I will going to show you which will help you get a lot of leads in the pre version of this website. Here you can see this is the website name websets.exa.ai. So this is actually a lead generation website, and you can a lot of you can grab a lot of businesses from this, and the founders, CEOs, business owners on your niche. So what you need is you need to come to this to this website and search this website, and then what you need is you need to create your account. And then what you need is put your niche in the search bar. Here you can see I just I'm searching for the leads of like graphic designing agencies in Dubai. So based on certain locations you have to put, and then what you need is you need to click enter. So basically, this tool will eventually help you with each and everything. Here you can see custom. So here you can see few of the agencies names. So it takes a little bit of time and scrape all the data from from I guess Google, or it actually use different search engines to find a lot of leads, companies and agencies. You can, from here you can also set filters, company size, employee counts and industry. If you just click on custom, so in the free version of this tool, it doesn't allow you a lot of a lot of filters, like you don't have much choice. But you can actually get 100 leads using different accounts. I don't know why this is not actually just refresh this again. So I'm just searching again digital. So what you need is you need to search like this digital marketing agencies. I hope this will going to get you a lot of leads from this. So here you can see description, names. I guess I have used a lot of credits. So it gives you, here you can see 1,000 credits for this. And just scroll down, I guess. So this is, when I just first started out on this tool, I just checked this tool. So I got a lot of leads, from this. When you just put your keyword, in the search bar, you will eventually get a lot of business owner names, company names, and then job titles. So these are mostly, founders and CEOs, because at the end of the day, we are dealing with CEOs and founders, their LinkedIn profiles. And so when you click on their LinkedIn profile, just you can you will get to see their LinkedIn page. And then what you need is you need to just message them, connect there, and follow up on their post and on their content. If they're not creating content, you can also pitch your offer. If you're like you are a LinkedIn creator, you can pitch your offer to them. So this is how you create a lot of leads using this tool. This is amazing tool. I'm using it personally. I hope you understand. So I hope you understand, how this website works. If you have any question, or do let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.